That's not good. Okay, what the hell are you? Actually, I don't want to know. I don't want to know. Nope. Not dodged you. Can't chase me now. Sucks to be you. Laboratory key. Why are you still chasing me? I'm gonna trip over the roots.
Sage and you will burn.
I'll take two at once.
You fueled my holy rage. I'm not afraid to suffer.
Alt. Oh, I can't dash. Oh, goodbye.
Purge the unclean.
See you later. Oh, there's 3 of you now. Oh, I don't have anything.
You'll suffer for your sins.
Oh, I'm dead. That was my last checkpoint. What was my last checkpoint? Oh, it was all the way over here. Lock seems to... Okay. These guys still chasing me? Oh, no, they're not. Shovel? What was there? Was this here first time? Okay. Better crack some heads. Okay.
Sage and alcohol. It's the simplest recipe. I can't believe I have to keep repeating myself.
You know how the young ones are.
Investigate that. We'll send you into the abyss!
Whoa. I cannot hit.
You'll suffer for your sins!
Okay, I have been missing every single hit. No, goodbye. I'm good. Stop it! Stop chasing me.
And who the hell are you? Another one of those red dogs? Say a prayer to your goddess and get ready to die, scum! Then why are you dressed in their bloody rags? Well,
I had no
I
choice,
see
buddy.
you bear the marks of torture too. Maybe the priest messed with your mind, because one more moment and you'd be dead.
Okay.
Nothing good. Besides, I doubt they were waking you up.
I'm gonna
No
leave.
time for a chin wag. Just get the hell out of here.
Okay. Still chasing me. Okay. Oh, I saw that. It's like amazing. That's what I am. Okay. No, almost there. There you go. What
Are you
up?
trying to escape, my child? That's very brave of you, I must say.
I am very brave. Thank you for noticing. We should
Escape? Me?
No,
But this is exactly where I should be.
you like the other guy.
I appreciate your offer, but I believe fate has brought me here for a reason. That's why I'll stay and see what happens.
Okay. Nothing good, I don't suppose.
Safe travels, my child. May
Okay.
fate be on your side.
Thank you. You're like not consumed by the red thing at all. I got stuff. Okay. Oh, I have no items. Nice. Necklace, please. Do. Gloves, sure. Helmet. They're all kind of bad. Okay. And there's nothing else here. Okay. Oh yeah. Game save. Wait, if I'm not supposed to be here, then. Okay, I'm gonna. These guys. Oh, they all died? How come? How did they all die? Where did I pick that from? What is this? Okay. That's probably safe to eat. I can do this. Oh, so close. It's like... Nope. How's it? There you go. I am a lockpicking genius. Experiment 3. We attempted to introduce a blood from a stage 5 patient. This caused a violent initial reaction, but after 3 days, it basically basically stabilized and shows no symptoms. He's less of a patient and more of a subject, and I'm completely not that fast. Experiment 4. Brother Christmas, great name, took her away 2 days ago. I wish she would return, but she's back and he seemed thrilled. Taking her. In response to the weirdness, as ready to proceed. He forbade me from documenting it. Serja seems quieter. I should check on her. Oh. I'm too good at this game.
I've already told you everything, I swear. Wait, you're not... You're a prisoner. Go. Escape while you still can. You want to know about our failure? There's nothing left to say. We can't help you anymore. Run. Run away from here.
You can escape the ways clear.
I won't make it. Besides, they threw me into a cell that once held a patient in the final stages of the disease. I'm probably sick already. Go. Don't worry about me. I'm not worth it.
Okay. Oh, look. That's nice. I'm not gonna go there. I'm gonna go explore some more. You're gonna be violent.
You're not a priest. Get out of here. Go away before they see you with me.
Oh, whoa. I want to help you.
Help? There's nothing wrong with me anymore. The priests cured me, you see. I just need a few days to recover, and then I'll be able to go home.
You don't look cured.
I look much better already. In a few days, you won't even see a trace of the illness.
My bad.
See? I don't need your help.
Okay. What a tone. You got anything cool around here? No. You've got nothing. Goodbye. What does it say? I'm not gonna read it. I'm too lazy. One lockpick is enough. What are you doing? Hello?
Can you hear me? Hear me.
Okay. Bye-bye. You know when they start repeating themselves, it's not good. Are the people still here? Poor guy, all skin and bones. He should eat more. Carnation, musk, bone meal, muskgrass. Guys, I'm getting level ups by the. Why would I need this game? This game is. I knew it. This game is just being mean at this point. Hello. Sure. Are they all dead? Did I not get ingredients? Oh, yes. Okay. Monster blood. What does monster blood do? What does a brain do? Huh. It's kind of gross. Okay. Oh. Oh, wow. Just gonna... I don't need the 7 commandments. Oh, they're everywhere. Oh no, more monster blood. I don't need monster blood. Wolfsbane? Peppermint? Sure. Why not? Can I open this? Oh, that jump scared me. Why is there so many ways to go? I don't like choice. I don't want to go down either. Unless gravity is reversed. But I doubt that. Do I... Quick slots. I have no quick slot items. Oh, potion. Mana potion. Okay. More mushrooms. Hey, is this the way that it came from? No, it's not. No, that's where the guy's cell led to. Oh, it's all connected. I see. Oh no, where's that guy that greeted me at the start? Why are you all dead, guys?
The prophet warns of danger.
Okay. Hey. Hey, I don't like you. Take that. I don't need all this clothes. I don't know why I keep taking it. Wait. Gonna take... I don't have the saw. I don't need 75,000 of the same. Oh, thank God. What are you doing?
You're not one of them. Please, free me.
Okay.
That's not the kind of freedom I'm asking for.
Oh.
There's no saving me now. Even if I could escape, I'd only be putting others at risk.
Oh no.
You have to kill me.
Why?
And when it's done, please, take my tags to the Horns of the South. Let Fergus know I didn't run.
Okay.
Thank you. May the All-Mother bless you.
Okay, I'm gonna take these.
Please.
Yeah, okay. Amputation knife. Just for good measure. Blood clot, burn ember. Why would I want all this? What are they even why are they grabbable? Quick use. Yes. Let's. Why did I see a red priest? Huh. It's not a red priest. I was here before. Oh. Well. Oh. Hey! You're not supposed to reach me. Bam. 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 Damn, the undead are stupid. Am I right? Boosh. Gadoosh. Shazam. Blam. Ow. Oh. I don't need all this. Boom. Stay back. Okay. There's more? What? I'm at level 23 theft. Okay, what are you? Okay, doesn't work. I mean, I knocked. More amputation knife. Run around here. Did I kill the other red priest? It was this way, right? Yeah, I did kill him. Okay, what did you have here? Measuring amputation. Okay. What was in here? Should I go in here? Probably shouldn't. And realistically, why should I? It's probably here. Oh, I remember this place. No, I don't think I have to be here. Okay. Crush into the snow. Oh, it's not even the season. What am I doing? What's here? Requires pickaxe. I don't have one of those. Was I here before? I don't think I was here. Room. Good morning.
near.
Oh, there's two
We'll
of you.
send you into the abyss.
Gadoosh.
You will burn.
Gadoosh.
Sacrifice to the prophet.
Oh god. Sacrifice you to the prophet.
Your fate is sealed.
Okay, why is my blocking not good? Okay, nothing good. What about you? What do you have? Nothing good.
Who's there? You shouldn't be here.
Who are you? I am
am Brother Sirius. Did you escape yourself? You really should have stayed there.
I'm not going to.
We can't let the plague spread any further. Although, I understand. May the
Bye-bye.
prophet's word be a safe haven for you.
I don't have all day, buddy. Can I kill him? No, I'll let him be. Stop coughing, Rook. Boom. That shook everything. Okay, well, what was the point of me coming here? Was there a point? I do not think so. I'm lost. I actually have no idea, even the slightest, what I'm supposed to do. I was here. There's nothing here. Nothing of value. Nothing here either. Where am I supposed to go? So I went through there before. Oh.
You took your sweet time, eh?
Oh, that's you.
But I understand. I did too, when I was leaving this place for the first time. You have to admit that the Red Priests are quite resourceful. At least when it comes to death and dying.
What's next?
I don't believe this. Am I finally blessed with someone who understands the situation and doesn't ask stupid questions that can wait for a better moment? I'm told this path leads to the beach. I'll wait for you there until dusk. Good luck.
What do you mean until dusk? Why do I require luck? I don't have anything. Excuse me. Hello, coming through. Don't kill me. No, I'm good. What was it? Why can't I just go this way? There's this weird plasm. Rejuvenation. Brick hammer. Sure, I'll take a brick hammer. What are you? You're a tainted red. Oh, wow, that hurts. Skadoosh. 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 Ow, ow. I'm so low on health. What do you have? Absolutely nothing of value. Except coin, I guess, but that's coin. Okay. Whew. Okay, I think I'll end it here for the moment. What is this? What? Okay, yeah, I think I'll end it here. And, I'll probably do a part 2 of this. Hopefully. Unless something happens to my PC again. Also, I will try to upload on schedule. If there will be one. What was that? Anyways. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.